50 travel hacks for that perfect holiday. Ready to level up your travel game? We've got 50 incredible hacks lined up for you in 50 travel hacks for that perfect holiday. From sneaky ways to keep your cash safe to snagging the comfiest flight seats, we're about to make your travel smoother, smarter, and more fun. Email a scan of your passport. Keep a digital copy of your passport in your email. It's a lifesaver in case of loss or theft, ensuring you're never without vital identification. This hack also works great for tickets and travel confirmations. A quick scan or screenshot can save the day. Roll your clothes for more space. Say goodbye to bulky luggage with this simple trick: roll your clothes. It's not just a space saver, it also keeps your outfits wrinkle-free. Sign up for last-minute deals on Headout. Spontaneous trip on the horizon. Grab some awesome last-minute deals by signing up on Headout. It's your ticket to snagging discounts on the best city experiences. Combat jet lag with exercise. Counteract jet lag by engaging in light exercise like running, yoga, or resistance band training. It helps to stay active and avoid sleeping immediately after a flight. Make friends with travel apps. Use apps like Backpack or Travel Buddies to connect with fellow travelers. These apps match you with nearby travelers based on personality, making socializing easier. Subscribe to 7 Seas Holidays. Looking for adventures that last a lifetime? Stick with 7 Seas Holidays for all the latest in travel. Rechargeable batteries in the fridge. Keep your rechargeable batteries in the fridge to maintain their charge longer, as they retain about 90% of their charge in cold temperatures. Follow a pub crawl party. Experience local nightlife without the cost of following popular pub crawl routes. Strategic flight cancellations. If you have a non-refundable ticket and change plans, don't cancel it. If the flight is cancelled or rescheduled, you might get a credit or refund. Carry an extension cable. Bring an extension cable, especially in hostels, to ensure you have access to power for your devices. Offline Google Maps. Download areas on Google Maps for offline use. Search OK Map and download the area to navigate without the internet. Download Google Translate. Overcome language barriers by downloading Google Translate. It translates text in real time and works offline too. Access free Wi-Fi. Utilize free Wi-Fi in places like airports and restaurants. Use apps to find passwords for secured networks. Pre-purchase skip-the-line tickets. Avoid long queues by buying skip-the-line tickets in advance for attractions and tours. Book flight add-ons early. Save money by adding extras like extra luggage and seat reservations when booking your flight. Avoid airport currency exchanges. Use ATMs for better exchange rates instead of exchanging money at airports. Opt for long layovers. Choose flights with long layovers to explore additional cities. Invest in a good travel wallet. A travel wallet helps keep important documents and currency organized. Mark luggage as fragile. Get quicker access to your baggage by marking it as fragile. Travel during shoulder season. Travel in the shoulder season for fewer crowds and better rates. Create frequent flyer accounts. Earn miles for discounts on future flights by signing up for frequent flyer programs. Private rooms in hostels. Opt for private hostel rooms for a balance of privacy, affordability, and social interaction. Change home country for flights. Switch the home country on flight search engines to potentially find cheaper rates. Invest in travel insurance. Ensure you're covered for unexpected events, especially when traveling with valuables or changing plans frequently. Shower cap for toiletries. Wrap toiletry bottles with a shower cap to prevent spills during flights. Itinerary inspiration from social media. Use platforms like Instagram for travel inspiration, focusing on popular tags and geotags. Overnight flights and buses. Save on lodging costs by booking overnight flights or buses. Earn through trip research. Participate in online travel surveys or product tests for extra pocket money. Travel credit cards for lounge access. Get a travel credit card with lounge access to save on food and enjoy comfort at airports. Tweet travel issues. Use Twitter for quicker resolutions to travel-related problems with airlines. Travel to less touristy destinations. Choose destinations with smaller tourism boards for cheaper and less crowded experiences. Call hotels directly for better rates. Avoid online taxes and secure potential upgrades by booking directly with hotels. Universal adapter. Carry a universal adapter suitable for multiple countries. Notify credit card companies. Inform your credit card company of your travel plans to avoid account freezing. Stay outside city centers. Opt for accommodations outside city centers to save money. Hotels with free meals. Choose hotels offering complimentary meals to save on food costs. Workation. Combine work and travel by opting for a workation, allowing you to earn while exploring new destinations. City travel cards. Use city travel cards for unlimited local transport and discounts on attractions. Transport pass. Get a pass for unlimited access to public transportation, saving time and money. Free museum days. Research free days for museums and tourist attractions to save on entry fees. Open-jaw flight tickets. Consider open-jaw tickets for flexible and often cheaper travel between two cities. Travel-friendly credit card. Select a credit card with travel perks like no foreign transaction fees and travel insurance. Dine during happy hours. Enjoy meals during happy hours for cheaper food and drinks. Anti-theft purse backpack. Invest in an anti-theft bag for safety and convenience. Visa-free or visa on arrival countries. Choose destinations with easy visa policies for quick trips. Sustainable travel practices. Practice sustainable travel to reduce environmental impact and ensure future travel possibilities. Book with cashback websites. Use websites offering cashback and all-inclusive deals for savings on international trips. Airline mailing lists. Sign up for newsletters to access exclusive flight deals and earn frequent flyer bonuses. Refundable bookings. Pay extra for refundable bookings to save money in case of cancellations. Hide cash in lip balm tubes. Store emergency cash in empty lip balm tubes for a discreet and weather-resistant solution. There, you have 50 travel hacks for your next perfect holiday. Do you have any more travel hacks that you think might help fellow travelers? Please add in the comments section below. Stay tuned because we're planning some great content for you guys this month.